In this video, we will learn how to register Voice ID on an LG TV. First, log in. At the top left side, click on the profile icon. Then, click on Add Account. You will see three options. Choose as per your preference. We are selecting Mobile Web Sign-in. Now scan the QR code using your mobile phone. A pop-up will appear on your mobile phone with an option to enter the code. Enter the code shown on the TV. Now you will see login options like login with Google, login with Apple, and login with Facebook. Choose as per your preference. We are selecting login with Google and following the steps on the mobile. Your LG account will now be logged in. You can now enter a nickname as per your choice. Click on the account again. You will see multiple options. Click on Security Settings. Then, click on Manage Voice ID. Click on Register Voice ID. Click on Start Registration. Now, click on Record Voice and read the displayed sentence aloud. Complete this step by reading all the provided sentences. Once you complete all the steps, your Voice ID will be successfully registered. Click Done. Then, click on the cross. If you have added multiple accounts and assigned each a separate Voice ID, the TV will automatically switch accounts based on the voice detected. Once your profile is switched, the TV will automatically apply your customized sound, audio, and picture settings. After repeated use, the TV will begin to personalize your screen based on your content preferences. Now we have learned how to register Voice ID on LG TV,